Guys, look at the amount of laundry. This doesn't even do it justice. There's even laundry back here. Yeah, that's a lot of laundry. There's some laundry over there. So I think I'm gonna get started with that, because I can throw a load of laundry in while I'm doing a load of dishes, cleaning up the kitchen, all while the laundry is going. I have a lot of stuff on my table that we got a project here, what's left of Christmas decorations. I'm gonna try and do something over there for the Christmas decorations. So yeah, let's get started in here.
Dream away, see the shimmer in the eyes of every happy Christmas child. A merry, merry Christmas. I wish you a merry Christmas.
Okay, first load of laundry in. It's probably going to be, I'm going to say probably 5. I think I did about 5 loads of laundry with all of that. I still have a couple things back there that I needed to get done. Like, for instance, I had a load for my OxiClean, but it wasn't quite a full load of laundry, so I'm just going to kind of hold off on that. I didn't do any laundry over the weekend, so that's why it kind of piled up so bad. But laundry's going, so now I'm going to move on and get the dishes done real quick so that we can get into doing last minute Christmas decorate, like just kind of few little things that I wanted to do. We already put up our tree. We did the decorations outside, so I'll do a little tour of that in my next video. You can kind of see our tree and the different ornaments that we have on there. I didn't go crazy this year with the decorations for Christmas. We kind of went all out for the Halloween, so I kind of did low-key a little bit for the Christmas stuff. And I usually like to decorate in traditional colors for Christmas, a lot of greens and reds, so that's what you'll see on my tree as well. I really need to find a better spot for the cat's dishes. I always step in her food. I either kick her water and spill it all over the place and get a wet sock, or I step in her, we give her a little plate of wet food each morning, and I always step in it. So I definitely need to find a new spot for her food, because I can't tell you how many pairs of socks I go through in a day just stepping in or kicking the water from the cat's dishes. But now I'm moving on to just clean off all of the countertops now that I have the dishes done, and I'm just going to work my way down here, countertops, clean the stove a little bit. I didn't cook anything crazy last night, so I did a chicken noodle soup, so I didn't get like the stove really messy, so I just had to do a quick wipe down of that. And then I'm just wiping down all of the stuff here, like the oil dispenser, and then the little jars that I have my salt and pepper in, just making sure that they're all nice and clean. So at this point now, when you guys are going to see this, we're probably about just under 3 weeks out from Christmas time. Let me know down in the comment section down below what you guys are doing for your Christmas holiday or the holiday that you celebrate in December. Let me know what you guys are going to be doing. This year, I'm going to be hosting Christmas. We usually host Thanksgiving, but because we did the big Halloween party, we decided to switch it up, and we went to my sister-in-law's for Thanksgiving, and we're going to do Christmas here at our house. So what I'm going to do, probably, I'm going to say like 2 weeks before actual Christmas, is start deep cleaning everything, and I'm going to do it just one section at a time. I'm going to designate, like, because, you know, honestly, you have your daily chores that you always have to get done. Dishes, laundry, although, as we saw, I wasn't keeping up on the daily chore of laundry. But, you know, like the basic stuff that you have to do day in and day out. So I think to not completely stress myself out is to go through and do little bits and pieces here and there. Like, for instance, I'll start with stuff that I know will stay clean for like those 2 weeks before. One of the things I'm probably going to do is go through and just scrub down walls and go through corners and then door jambs and kind of work my way down, so that way, like, anything that I start, you know, 2 weeks before will still be clean for when I'm having people here for Christmas time. And then that way, like, just right before the day, I can just go through and do the basic stuff, you know, countertops and dusting and stuff like that. We do have our first load of laundry out of the dryer, and we're going to get that folded now.
God bless those who have nothing. What a mess. We gotta do something right. We gotta spread the light. Now it's time to give it back. Soon we'll be back on track in winter time. We have a hill to climb, but it seems like no one wants to wait for it. Go. It's gonna be alright if you just hold tight, but you have to wait until tomorrow. You know it's on its way, and on Christmas Day there'll be no worry and no more sorrow. You know it's on its way, and on Christmas Day there'll be no worry and no more sorrow. It's gonna be alright if you just hold tight. But you have
Okay, so the laundry is folded. Now we're going to just take it to who it belongs to. I think most of this stuff was Mia's for some reason. I did have some sheets that I washed and finally got folded the other day. I got to take those and put them away as well. I kind of just line everything up here on the back of the sofa. I find it easier to just like have all of those piles and then have everybody come out and just get their laundry. Makes it a little bit easier. But now I'm just going to go through and straighten up a little bit and do some vacuuming. And there you can see my tree. I do really love that tree. I did suggest getting a new tree this year because this tree is kind of old school. You have to like put pegs in. It's not one of the pre-lit, like the newer trees that are pre-lit, and you kind of just take it out of the box and attach the top of it. This one has individual branches that you have to put into pegs. It works for us because I'll let you in on a little secret. There's only half a tree. we don't put the full back of the tree on. That way we can push it up against the wall a little closer, because, you know, I'm working with a small house here, so kind of need all the room I possibly can get, and that has been a cheat that we have been doing for quite a few years now. Half a tree. Okay, so here's the first little section I finished. Just Santa with this little reindeer. We picked him up at a craft show. He's made of all like tree stumps and branches. Really cute. The guy has a ton of them and they're all always so cute. Now, the next day, I'm moving into doing the kitchen here, and I just wanted to do something on this was an old china cabinet that we took the top part off because it was too much in this little space. So we kept the bottom part though, because there's a lot of storage in there, and I actually do want to refinish that. Not totally in love with the color, but I do like the amount of storage that I get in there, because I'll keep pans and plates that I don't use all of the time. But I do want to just do a little something there for the holidays and have kind of almost like a little Christmas village, like little homes and stuff that you'll see. This little tree here too, this is another one of my craft show finds. It's one of like those old school ones that has like these little pegs. I'm missing half of the pegs. I need to find out where I can get them. I used to be able to get them at AC Moore, but we don't have an AC Moore around us anymore, so I might have to try either Joann's or maybe Hobby Lobby. I didn't check Hobby Lobby. I will check there though. But I decided I was trying to do something with the Santa that I had there too, but he just wasn't working in this space, so I decided just to go with the Christmas tree. And now you saw me fighting with the fairy lights earlier. I got to figure out a better way to store them for next year, but I'm gonna lay those down here. And then I have this white, it's almost like the webbing that you use at Halloween time, but it's more of like a cottony feel. I can't remember where I got this stuff, but Mia was telling me, oh, use this. I think that'll look really cool for like that snow-like effect. So I'm just putting that on top of the fairy lights to give it a little bit of a base for the houses that I have coming up next.
Keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill.
So this set that you're seeing me put together here, it all came in a big box, and it had all of the houses, the trees, and a little bonus that I didn't know about was the tea lights that are on a timer that go inside. I happened to find that at the end of last year at Bath & Body Works. No, I'm sorry, I always get these confused. Bed Bath & Beyond. I always mix those up. If I can find something like that, I'll link it down below. I was really surprised at how cute the set was. Like I said, I got it at the end of last year, so we didn't use it for our decorations for last year, but I'm really happy with it this year. And now I'm just fixing this wreath here that I got from Big Lots. Big Lots was having a really good sale, 40% off, and then 25% off of other Christmas decor already, which I was surprised to see the 40% off already, considering that it's still, like 3 weeks out until Christmas. And then these little reindeers are ones that we found at the Dollar Spot last year at Target, as well as the snowmen were from there as well.
Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how
have to say this wreath is really cute considering that it's on trend with that like big bell look that you're seeing a lot lately, and considering that it was $35 with the 40% off, it came down to like $20 at Big Lots, so I'm really happy with that little purchase. And then here's the houses all set up at night, and they just kind of give off like a really pretty glow, and the tree with all like the different colored little pegs that are in it that give off, it's probably one of my favorite little corners that I've done for the holidays in this area here. I usually don't do anything on here, but I definitely wanted to, and this is the mess that I made after everything was said and done. I have glitter all over the place. Like, there was a lot of glitter on the houses, and now there's a lot of glitter on my table and in the cracks of this table. So we're gonna get this all cleaned off now.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe, and I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down, and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference.
I figured the easiest way to get all of this glitter was to first just kind of do a dry sweep of everything before I come in with my spray and spray everything down, because I honestly am going to have to get through here with like a toothpick to get all of the glitter. Last thing I want is people having glitter all over their ham and pineapple stuffing on Christmas Day. So that'll be part of my list of deep clean stuff, getting all of the glitter that is all over this table. I'm going to finish it up here with just putting my runner down, and I have these candle holders that 2 of them just wasn't enough, so I did a third one, and then I just put the cranberries on the center. I wanted to keep something simple here because this is where I'll put everything out for Christmas dinner. But there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.